Hello guys, this is Steven, and today I'm going to show you how the ISPman Billing System works. So here you have the payment details. As you can see, the ISP details here. Now when you go here on report, this is where you can see the revenue trend. Here you can see them here. Also the data usage trend, that means how much data your customer are using. Then here you have the customer trend. You can be able to track each day you hired more customers according to this data. Now here you have a customer by hotspot. This means the different hotspot that you can create. Now you can have all the details the customer that has been connected to any hotspots. And here you have the customer by package, and here you can see that the 1 hour package is the most used than the 4 hours package. And here you have by location, you have Westland, Westland, Kasarani. Then here you have customer by time of the day, can be afternoon, early morning, evening, morning. You have customer by device. These are different microchips. Also, you can be able to see the gateway reaches, because now the ISPman Billing System is compatible with the gateway reaches. Now here you have a customer by operating system. It can be Windows, iPhones, or Android. You can be able to see them there. Now when it comes for the payments, let's say every time a customer pays to your hotspot, for example, the money reflects here that automatically here on this available balance. You can see them here. Then you can also have the details here. You can be able to see the service, the account number, the M-Pesa reference, the phone number that is paid, the time, and also the amount that's been paid. So now you can do so anytime using, for now, your M-Pesa phone number, but soon you will integrate the option of Paybill or PIN number, and also integrate also the international payment gateway, so that other countries can also use the system. Now here you have customers. This is where you can see your triple POE customers and customers. Here you have different customers. As you can see, this one, for example, you see this space is blank. That means the customer has logged into the captive portal but didn't pay for any package. You're just looking at the packages. Now here you have, for example, this one. You can be able to see the phone number that is paid for the package, and also the last time it was seen, like 2 days ago, for example. Now if you click there, you can be able to see how much data that particular customer was using. Also, every recent payment for that particular customer. You can be able to see different hotspots that the customer is being connected to. And then here you have a small wallet. This means, let's say, if you have packages for $10, for example, then the customer pays $20. That means if only use the $10, then the $10 will remain here, so that next time when you select the same package, the money will deduct automatically, then go to your wallet. So you can be able to see now the money will reflect on your wallet. Yeah. Then if you go here on People POE section, this is where you can add your packages, your People POE packages. You just click the plus button there. You can name it. It can be 8 Mbps, 10 Mbps, 12. It's up to you to choose which one you want to have. Also, you can set the download speed and upload speed. The expiry time is 1 month, and then you put your price here. Then you sell, and it will appear here. So for the customer, it's the same. You click the plus button here. You can put the name, the email of the customer, the phone number. Then come here, you select the package that the customer wants to pay for. Then you also select here the microchip where you want where you want to put your triple POE customer, for example, then it will appear here. So now when you click, for example, for this one customer, you can be able to see also how much data the customer can use, and then the system gives automatically the credentials. So now these credentials is the one you have to put on the router for that one particular customer. You can, the username is give, the system gives automatically the username and password, but you can only be able to modify the password. You can just come here on password, then you modify the password, then you save so that the new password can be seen here. Then you can either decide to send your customer an sticker push or email or SMS, for example. Then you can also deactivate the customer manually. For example, you can have the case, for example, the package is expire, let's say after 1 month, then the customer, for example, is not able to pay, let's say, right away. You can ask you, give me like 5 days more so that I can look for the money to pay for the package again for the next month, for example. Then you can come here, just decide to activate the customer to connect him manually for the 5 days. Let's say after the 5 days he doesn't pay, you can just disconnect him manually from here. Then you can also click here, set the expiry dates, also the time, then you connect the customer. So now it will appear here page until, so that the system can know next time. Let's say if he pays for today, then the system will know after 1 month from today, the system will disconnect the router, the PPOE router automatically. Then here you'll be seeing the recent payment for that one particular customer. Then here on Hotspot, this is where you can see different SSID or different hotspot that you can create. Then now here you can also be able to see your hotspot customer. Let's say you can, let's say for the package, let's say if you want to check exactly how many ports for the night, you can just click, for example, 1 hour. Then here you will be able to see all of them. You can see now you have all the customer that visited or wanted to pay for the 1 hour package, for example. So this one helps you. This feature helps you reach or search a particular customer, for example. So you don't have to come back to look, to scroll, look for the one. Yeah, you can just come here, select the package, for example, or the phone number if the customer has provided his phone number, or the device type, for example, the one is using. You can be able to see. Now here on devices, this is where you can add your MikroTik or Rigi gateway. The system can support as many devices as you want, unlimited. Also, it can support unlimited customer. Yeah. Now here on the settings, if you want to customize your captive photo, for example, you can just come here on customize branding. You just click here. Then you can change the color, for example. You can come here, change the color or change the layout of those packets. You can see how it looks now. Now you have the captive intro. For example, you have the captive intro here. You can put any instruction you want so that the customer can, once they get connected to your network, they can be able to see those instructions. You can be able to add also your brand logo, your brand name here, then you save. Then still on setting section. Now this is, you can see your package. Let's say if you pick the paid one here, you can be able to see different packages here. So you can be able to modify these packages anytime. Anytime you can just click here. For example, let's say you want to change the price, you put like 15, then you update, and then you can be able to see the 1 hour here. For example, or to add the new one, you can just click here, you put the name, 12 hours, 1 week, you put the price, the download speed, the upload speed. Then here you set minute, hours, days, weeks, or months. You can set here 1 month, 2 days, up to you. Then here the max session means the number of users that can connect to this particular package simultaneously. Then the max session per user is the number of devices. Then here you can limit also the max data upload or the max data download. Let's say, for example, from some people who wants to download a movie, for example, using this one particular package. Now, let's say if it pays for the 1 hour, now you set the download speed and upload speed here. And let's say in just 20 minutes, you use the 20 gigabyte, for example, the max data upload. Now he'll be disconnected because you have set here the limit, so you can always put the limit here, so that it can be a balance for other users. Yeah, and then you can create the package to reflect here. Now you have the SMS. The system has default SMS provider. So every time a customer pays for your hotspot, you can be able to see here your payment of Paybill, for example, to account. Now this will be your account. And let's say I spin hotspot. Now this will be the name of your hotspot, for example. So the customer can know he has paid and the money went through. The transaction went through, for example, here. But if you want also to integrate your own SMS provider, you can be able to do so. Now here you have the email. The email is free until you reach $1,000 per. Now let's say if you want to send an SMS, you can just click here, send the SMS. Now you select the customer. It can be PPOE customer or spot customer. You can just click like this one. Then you can see his name here, Steven. Now you come here, you set the message. Hey, your packages, your package has expired. Please renew, for example. Then you send the SMS. Then you receive the SMS. Now this is for, let's say, for your PPOE customer, or you can come here, select your. You can come here, select your hotspot customer, and then they receive the money. Now here on the billing, this is where you'll be receiving invoice to pay for the subscription of the system every time. So the best part about this billing system, if you come here, you check here, you can be able to manage multiple businesses using one account. So what you can do, for example, if you have many sites, you can have one, let's say Nairobi, another one in Kakamega, another one in Meru, another one in Ushago, or even, let's say, Mombasa. Now you can just come here, you create a new business name, put the name, the address, the email, the phone number, also the payment was done, complete setup. So let's say if I click to this one, you see now this one acts as a new account. So you don't need to create every time a new account. Let's say if you have different sites, let's say if you want to separate the payments, so that every time you can just come here. Let's say this site is Mombasa. Now you tell yourself, I want to check how the business is in Mombasa, or the hotspot business in Mombasa is going. You can just come here, you click there, then you can be able to see, it's going well. Yeah. Now the same as you can come here on this Shago spot, you can be able to see I did set up for here. So that's practically how the system works. And in case you have any feature you'd like to have on the billing system, you can always reach out to us. Then you can see how we can implement the feature. You can contact us at 0796 777 333. That's all. That's all for today. Thank you for your time and enjoy using the system.